Alright everyone, I just wanted to show a little progress on my coop here. As you can see, we've got all the shavings down now. Yeah. And we got this is a chicken door. The chicken door is not fully secured yet. We're still working on that. Got a nice big window for air. They got their food and water. They got some treats right here. And they got their little house over here. And they all come. Hi, baby girls. Hi. Hi, baby girls. Hi. Oh, that's my toe. Yeah, hi. Hi. Yeah. But I just wanted to show everyone that we got this this coop going for them. We're still working on the run.